Use the asynchronous signal type to see a single channel decoded and displayed as serial characters, or frames of characters with a specific bit count and baud rate. We have already added a synchronous signal to our project and captured some data. Let's open the Signals editor to see its configuration options. Click on the signal name to open the editor. We will skip the general options and describe each option for this specific type of signal. These options are located under Decode Options. MSB option. This option specifies that bits are received in MSB first order. Frame on 9 bits address flag tells the decoder to start a new frame when a 9-bit address byte is detected. This option is ignored unless parity is set to 9-bit mode. Reframe on break. The decoder will terminate the current frame and start a new one when a break condition is detected. Glitch filter, % of bit. Select noise filter setting of none through 10% of a bit width. Sync, skip transitions. Specifies how many transitions to ignore at the start of the buffer. This is useful for syncing up the decoder when a capture starts mid-character. Show field idles. Specifies whether idle time between fields should be shown as a hashed field or if the current field should just extend to the next field. Baud rate, selects from a list of standard baud rates or use custom. Custom baud, bits per second, enter the baud rate to use, if baud rate is set to use custom. Show frame idles, specifies whether idle time between frames should be shown as a single center line or if the current frame should just extend to the start of the next frame. Data bit selects the number of data bits in a character. Parity or 9-bit address flag, selects from odd, even, 1, 0, or non-standard parity settings. Also allows selection of 9-bit addressing mode with an address field flagged with a 1 or with a 0. Frame length in characters, set the number of characters to use as a frame. Set to 0 to disable. Frame idle timeout. A new frame is started if no characters are seen for more than the specified time. Set to 0 to disable. This can be useful if none of the other frame methods apply, but you can see a consistent pause before each frame starts. This concludes our asynchronous signal configuration demo.